Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm excited because I don't do chit chat get ready with me's often, especially not, hair and makeup. I don't do much with hair here on my channel, but I'm excited because I got a new wig. If you guys didn't know, I just started wearing wigs in February, so it still makes me giddy-ish because this is like a new hobby to me. So I just got a new one. This is from XOXO Virgin Hair. That's pretty much the only place that I get my hair from. The ginger wig, the straight black wig that I've been wearing lately, and then this one are all from XOXO. The first one, the ginger snap, the one that you guys created, was PR, and then I bought the other two. If you guys are wondering about that whole, PR hair versus purchased hair, I feel like they're both the same. I literally get compliments on those wigs anytime that I wear them. There's no difference between the PR quality and the quality that I bought, but when you see the prices, you know why there's no difference. It's pricey, but it's worth it there. If you're wondering about the hair that I have on my head right now, let me pull up my order here. This is 3 bundles of deep curly in 22 inches. Oh, and the main reason that I'm excited for this video, it is a 20-inch HD film lace frontal. I don't know if you guys have heard, but HD film lace frontals are like the new thing. They're supposed to be like unclockable type of lace. I'll insert, the video of Stephanie wearing it here, where you're just like lace wear. So that's why I'm mostly excited here. Now I did install it myself, so we'll see how this goes. But I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and then style it after that. So yeah, let's just go. The only thing I've done so far is just install it. Oh, and I cut off about this much of hair so that it would fit around my ears. But yeah, let me stop rambling and let's just go. I'm not sure what I want to do. I think I want to do one of those, like one eyeshadow color. At least it looks like it's just one eyeshadow color looks, but I'm sure we'll figure it out as we go along here. So I guess this is the part where the chit chat kicks in. And I just want to do a life update because some of you have probably noticed my uploading schedule isn't what it has been lately. And if you're new here and you didn't know, my mom has been pretty sick throughout the years, and it's just gotten to a different place. Lately, there was a hospital visit, and then last week she had surgery. So that's really where I've been, I guess you could say, throughout the last few weeks. Now I've tried uploading in between then, but between, not having time because I've got that going on in the background, and then when I do have the time, I either don't like the content that I ended up making, or it's just not to the point where I'm like, I feel comfortable putting this up, and I don't want to put anything up just to say that I put it up there. That's why my uploading schedule hasn't been consistent lately, but she's getting better. I could say that. It takes a while for the surgery results, I guess you could say, to kick in to make her feel a little bit better, but it's getting better there, and like I can feel myself mentally getting better, coming out of whatever it is I've been in the last few weeks. So that's also why I'm a little giddy, you could say, in this video, just because I can feel myself feeling better. But yeah, that's where I've been a little stressed throughout the last few weeks. But I do, I sat down, I planned out things that I want to do, and they will be coming soon. So if you're here, stick with me. We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. If you guys haven't noticed, we're very close to 200,000. So it's time for me to buckle down and get serious there. And I know it's not really something, like, some of you are gonna be like, you don't have to explain, your absence or stuff like that. Sometimes you do, okay? Some people really will hit you with that. It's been days since you uploaded, what's going on? But not only that, in this type of environment where consistency is key, and it matters as far as you growing, there comes a point where you feel like if you're not doing something, then you're not getting anywhere. Now, you shouldn't let it, kill you or anything like that, like overthinking it, but you do have to realize, what you put into it is what you're gonna get out. And sometimes it just feels like, wow, I could be doing so much more, but I'm not, because I'm sitting here doing nothing, or I'm sitting here doing, you know what I mean? So it's half and half. It's half between, being stressed and just not being there mentally, and half of feeling like, you're not putting your all into it. So I'm trying to find a balance there, but it is hard, y'all. I was like, you know what? I still haven't started the other eye. This is why I don't do chit chats, get ready with me, is because I would just talk the entire video and then the video would end up being an hour long for me to finish my makeup. But you know, I just had to get that off my chest because one, it feels good to get it off your chest, and two, you never know if someone out there might be going through the same things. And sometimes you just need to hear someone say, you know, it's all right, it's gonna get better. And I'm just feeling good, you know, I'm feeling better, so I want to say it. Oh, speaking of feeling good and updates, I guess another update I should give you guys is the weight gain journey. If you guys didn't know, I need to gain weight. We've been through this. I'm pretty sure the very first chit chat get ready with me I ever did, I explained the whole, you know, weight thing and how it's just been off ever since I was a freshman in high school. So I really, you know, buckled down. Like that was one of my resolutions this year, to get it together, and it's been going well. I did let you guys know on Twitter the program that I started back in like March. I finished it in May and then I started it over again just so I can get, you know, even more consistent with the idea of working out. And as far as eating, it feels good when you actually eat how you're supposed to. Remember before I was like, yeah, you know, I only eat like once a day because I don't, like, nothing tells my body that you're hungry, you should probably eat. So it's left on me to remember, like, you have to eat, your body needs food. And so some of you were like, you know, set reminders for yourself, like, you know, it's 2 p.m, it's time to eat, it's 7, it's time to eat. I did do that. Thank you for those of you who told me about that. That does help. But yeah, you know, I can again feel myself feeling better now that I actually do eat how I'm supposed to. I am gaining weight and I'm doing all of it without epetamine. Y'all know what I mean. The American version and the Haitian version, for anyone who might offer either one. I've had some people ask me, you know, have I thought of trying it, or the ones who knew that I did try it asked me, you know, what it did for me. It didn't do anything except make me depressed and make me want to sleep. I've seen some things on Twitter how, like, there are literal things about it that aren't good for you, that over time using it can cause like kidney issues or stuff like that. I don't know, I'm not a doctor, you might want to research that. I just know from my own experience I can say that it didn't do anything. The point of it isn't to make you gain weight, it's supposed to give you an appetite, like it's supposed to make you want to be hungry. I don't feel like it did that when I took it. It just made me sleepy. But even if it did make me, you know, want to start eating, it's like, so is it something I would have to take for the rest of my life to always keep that appetite? Or, you know, like, do you take it enough and it just kicks in? Either way, I would rather just, you know, go through the process of training my own body on, you know, being naturally hungry and creating that appetite than having to take it. But I don't feel like it did it anyway for me, so I'm glad that I was able to do that without it. But yeah, you know, it's just a whole bunch of protein. I gotta work on fats. Like, I'm still going over the amount of fats I should be having a day by, like, you know, 5-10 grams. But other than that, you know, it's been going good. Let me know if you guys want a video or something like that on a, you know, what I eat in a day or stuff like that, or what I eat to gain weight stuff. Let me know what type of content you guys would like. Because it seems like you guys kind of like the fashion content that I've been doing lately. You know, obviously some of you are here for my makeup opinions. So let me know if you'd be here for fitness type of videos, because we can do it all. We can do it all. Oh, I should also probably point out that, I mean, like, neither version worked for me, the American one or the Haitian one. But either way, just, you know, like, consult with the doctor before you try it, because like I said not too long ago, I saw tweets saying that they were starting to regulate how, like, the access people have to it. I think you might need a doctor's prescription anyway to get it now, instead of just over the counter, because they were finding that it actually has damaging, long-lasting results. So just look into it before you put it in your body. Don't forget your sunscreen, boys and girls, especially if you use like retinol or acid things for hyperpigmentation and stuff like that, and then you don't use sunscreen. Just say you don't love your money and go, especially since some of these products range somewhere in like $80-$90. Imagine spending $80 for an acid for your hyperpigmentation or whatever, and then not wearing sunscreen. Defeats the purpose. Now for my new primer combo of hard candy and milk makeup. Crap, I might have oxidized my eyeshadow. I don't know who you are, I'm not answering. This combination of the Fenty concealer plus the Mented foundation stick is doing things for me, okay? Doing things. I still want to try different shades, but as far as the formula of this concealer with that foundation stick, yes ma'am, or sir, whichever you prefer. You know, once we master gluing it down in the front, we'll get to gluing it down in the back. Y'all see that? Like, I know it's supposed to, you know, or you can glue it down there, especially if you want to wear like ponytails or stuff like that. Baby steps here, okay? Baby steps, because we don't know what we're doing over here. And then cemented in D30. I'm looking at this wig like as is, and it's puffy state, and I like it. Y'all know I like, you know, big puffy hair. So it's nice to know I can wear it that way too, but we're still going to style it in this video because I've never seen that style on myself, because, you know, like, I wasn't trying to do that with my own hair, so we're gonna see how it looks. And set my under eye with the Laura Mercier powder. Look, I'm starting to fall into the, if it's available in a mini size, just get it in the mini size. I have the Laura powder in a mini size, and it could, you know, be based on how you use the products, but like, how am I going to use this where I'm going to quickly run out of this? I don't know if I've mentioned this yet in other videos, but I've been using this Jouer powder in dark to set the rest of the areas on my face. And it's a nice setting powder. There's a color darker than this. Yeah, this isn't the darkest one, right? Yeah, there's this shade right here called Deep. It's not as hurting my head. Now for blush, this little wheel has become my best friend. I told y'all I just did into all of them, and ooh, okay, she felt like coming to play today. I'm gonna move on to my hair before, you know, the final touches of my makeup. I'm gonna take this spray bottle right here that I got from Amazon. Let's see here, open that up, and spray my hair down. Ooh, she is shooting out at my hair. Y'all see that? I guess just to a point where it's like, you know, damp. Can y'all see that? And then brush through the paddle brush, and then I'm gonna add some. Okay, this side of my hair might be a little bit more wet because I kept missing my hair with the spray bottle. And then take this Main Choice Pink Lemonade mousse, it's the only mousse that I have right now, and run it through from the roots to the ends to hold the curls and make them defined in this deep wavy wig. And brush through one last time. Alrighty then, that is what she is looking like on my face. This is the second frontal I've ever laid down, so be nice in the comments down below, but she is cute. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with the, I feel like using the Huda spray today, so. Okay, now on to lips. You already know what it is. Like, I mean, do I really have to say what this color is anymore? What is this? This is Wet n Wild's Catsuit in Rebel Rose. And of course, creme de la creme in the middle. That's also a staple at this point. So just right there. I said right there and kept going. So that is it for this video from me and my wig that does not have a name yet, and I don't even have suggestions to throw out there on which one you guys think is the best name. So really just leave your suggestions in the comments down below and I will pick the best name, or I'll throw up a poll or something like that with the best names that you guys suggest, because we have to name it. All my wigs have names, but I'm all the way here for it. Okay, I'm a very happy customer from XOXO Virgin Hair. I will definitely continue buying hair from here. So I think, is that 3 types? Because this is deep curly, the other one was straight. No, that one was straight too, so I've tried 2 types now. But one is colored. Minimal shedding with the 2 that I already have. Great quality hair. Again, I don't go anywhere without getting compliments on either wig. So I would definitely recommend it. And my makeup was just, you know, me doing my makeup. So I guess. I hope you guys liked this chit chat here with my little life update. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Can y'all even see the top of the wig in the video?